Hi, I am Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is a new scam alert, and I usually don't profile this one, or new scam alerts, but this one is very different. It's a deep fake video that resulted in a $25.6 million loss. And I recognize that we as practitioners, or you as practitioners in your position, you may still be waiting for access to artificial intelligence, but guess what? The fraudsters are not. They are already doing this. So what happened with this fraud is the finance worker received an email first, and he thought the email was a little suspicious because it indicated that there needed to be a secret payment. But guess what? His assumptions or suspicious, right? That little thing that goes off in your head thinking something's wrong went completely away when the fraudsters got on a video conference call with him. Now, they didn't say how that came about, but it wasn't just one, but it was six different people that looked just like the people at his company that he knew, that sounded like him. And so that made all the difference. And he was assured that it was a legitimate request. And so the transfers were made, and the loss again totaled $25.6 million. So while we're still waiting on, or you're still waiting on AI, artificial intelligence in your company, maybe the fraudsters are already using it to deep fake video and audio. And it worked in this case to the tune of $25.6 million. Now, I do have a link to this new scam alert on my site, and you can go and get more information. And within that, I also have a link to the original article if you like more information. Now, if you are not already receiving new scam alerts from me, if you want to be notified, I usually post about 2 to 3 per week. Then I will have a link in the description where you can go and sign up to be notified the very next day whenever I post new scam alerts the prior day. And then make sure you're sharing that information with your colleagues so that they are aware of new scam alerts or the latest techniques that fraudsters are using to perpetrate payment fraud. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and just overall bad vendor data. If you would like over 115 annual hours of training for your vendor team to avoid these types of scams, then check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.